Hello everyone. Today I will be doing an example on how to convert a CSV file into a JSON. Okay, I've got a CSV file. Now I'm just creating a Spring Boot application so I could do things a bit faster and then I will show you the JSON file as a result. Okay, so let's begin with the example. So this is the name of company, convert CSV to JSON. Okay, here what I need Lombok. First of all, Spring Web. What else I need? Mm. At the moment, I don't need any database. Okay. Let's see JSON. Do I have something with JSON? No. CSV? No. Okay. I take only two things. Maven, Java 3.5 files. Okay. Java 21. Okay. Converting. Demo project. Convert CSV to JSON. Okay. Spring Boot. Using Spring Boot. Okay. So I took it here. No, no, not here. Spring Boot. Yeah, here. Okay, so it will be a demo project. Okay, so I changed the name a bit. No, it's not too bad. Rename, okay. CSV to JSON. Okay, let's see. CSV to JSON controller. CSV to JSON controller. Hmm. Okay, so I take some annotations from this previous project so I could save some of my time. Okay, it will be a get method was it. Hmm. Yeah, no, this is ready to some extent. Okay. Convert CSV to JSON. Hmm. I don't need any front end at the moment, so I'm just removing it. Maybe commenting would be better because maybe in future I need it. So, so here it's API convert CSV. Now I have to add something related to Open API. So I got Open API. Okay. Okay. So I have to add some configuration for each of the properties. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Now I have to read. So it's a very basic. I'll go read data from CSV file map to plain old Java object, including serialization and deserialization. Then return object as JSON. So maybe I need some kind of CSV dependency, okay, because I'll be getting a normal file. So let's see it. So yeah, probably I'll be using this dependency to make my life easier. Okay. So Okay. Yeah, I'll be using buffer reader. Okay, so what kind of data I have in that file? That file I put in the resource folder. Okay, so this is the CSV file which I copy now. Okay, and I put it here. Okay, so I have got ID, first name, last name. I create an entity. Hmm. Users. I think when I put data, I'll get getter and setter both. Mhm. Generate getter for all fields. Okay, getter, setter. See, it is equivalent to this. So I don't need to do any extra work. Okay. Long ID. Okay. Okay. So it will be splitting. count equal to 0. So why I'm doing it? Because it will read the first line. I don't need first line here. This part I don't need it. And if I need it, I need it in the heading. The other part I need in the object. So it must be reading from the second. And in arrays or list, it will always, it is not second, it is actually first, because first index start from the 0. Okay, so that's why I need something greater than 0. Where user, that ID, long dot parse. So this way I'll get the ID. I've got 4, 5 fields. Let's see how many fields I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more 6. Okay. That email. Okay. That password. Password must be hashed, but in this case, uh, we'll be using plain text. Okay. Username. Last name. Email. Yeah, first name I did not have it. Okay. Okay, so now I have got users, all users. Okay. I don't need this at the moment. User. Okay. Hmm. Users and ah, hmm, okay. So now I have added this thing. I also want to use builder pattern here probably, so my life would become a bit easier here. Okay. Let's see what happened. Builder. Mm-hmm. ID. So builder pattern is basically used when we have too many parameters, and instead of writing it like this, I'll show you how we write it. Build. Okay. Mm, it's okay. Okay. First name, username, last name. Okay. Email, first name, password. Okay, so it made my life bit easier. Okay. I see it is better than the code I had, and yeah. So now, okay, why I'm getting this? Create constructor. Hmm, will it work? So, okay, it will not work. Do one thing. Do I need it? I don't need it either. Uh-huh. So put it like this. Now I don't need it. Okay, so So we do one thing. We'll return the JSON as well as the size. So we'll get to know that do we have all data or not. I'm just thinking about the name. JSON result. CSV to JSON result. So here, okay, why did I choose exception? Okay, it is wrong. Size, okay, and list user users data. Hmm, okay, so once it get it, CSV to JSON result. CSV to JSON result. Input copy and if I apply builder pattern here, no, I don't need it because there are only two parameters. And in size, I will put users dot users. I don't know users. Okay, fine. Okay, because it is not reachable here. Now it will be reachable. Set users users. Okay, I can write this thing here. Um, Serialization and deserialization is also a concern, but I think for 1000 record it will not be a big issue. No, wait, here. User. Hmm, okay, it will not be a concern here, but in case we have spell revenue database, so okay. CSV. CSV to this, and then have to see it how to respond. Okay, it's a good practice to specify some exception and what I'm using runtime because I have to make an example quite fast. Okay, this is not very readable. Okay, to make it readable, what I can do. So what basically I need this users. Okay, so file is the first problem. First thing, count we can add. This thing we can also specify here. Count is here. Return users. So we are done with this. Okay. Yeah. So here we don't need count anymore because we are not using it. Yes. But suppose file is null. What would happen? We have to do testing very seriously. In case we are seriously interested to write production grade code. So if at the moment we are writing null pointer, file cannot be null. That's all I can write and log it. Mhm. Is null. Okay. So this will initialize the object. This will pass file, and if file is not empty, then it will be processed. Yes, there is a possibility of some more errors. For example, if I write 6 array and I have only 4, then I will get some error out of bound exception error. But that might be handled here, I think. So I'll get to know in the logs. Okay, so let's begin with an example. Let's start with example. Okay, let's see what would happen. CSV to JSON. Okay, enable application processing. Okay, let's see 8080. Okay. There we got it. Now what we do? We try it. Hmm, Document. Do we have file here? Yes, we have a file. Let's see what problem we have. We got the result. See? So 1000 records, so it's working perfectly fine. I also want to share that earlier I used to get this task as an intern, and I used to spend like 2 days to complete this kind of task. But with the help of a Spring Boot and some experience, I can do it like in very short time, 1 or 2 hours. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, and in case you like this video, then you could subscribe my channel. Okay? And I wish you a very nice day.